Do you ever wonder why one of the world's biggest crypto exchanges, Coinbase, is available in some countries but not others? You might assume it's simply a business decision, but the real reasons are far more complicated, rooted in a web of global regulations, financial stability, and even international politics. For a platform that aims to create an open financial system for the world, those barriers present a serious challenge. The primary hurdle for Coinbase's global reach boils down to a single word: compliance. Every country has its own rules for financial services, and when you're dealing with a revolutionary technology like crypto, those rules become even more stringent and often unclear. Coinbase, being a US-based, publicly traded company, has to be hypervigilant about adhering to a complex mix of laws, starting with its home turf. First, there's regulatory clarity. In some nations, the rules around digital assets are either non-existent, constantly changing, or outright hostile. Coinbase won't operate in a country where it can't get a clear license or meet anti-money laundering and know your customer requirements. It needs that clear road from regulators to ensure it operates legally and responsibly. This means they often prioritize markets like the EU, where new frameworks like MiCA are being introduced to provide clarity, over regions with high uncertainty. Second, and perhaps the most absolute barrier, is international sanctions. The U.S. Treasury's Office of Foreign Assets Control, or OFAC, strictly prohibits U.S. entities from doing business with certain countries and regimes. This is non-negotiable. If a country is under U.S. sanctions, such as Iran, Cuba, North Korea, or parts of Russia, Coinbase is legally required to restrict access to its services, regardless of how crypto-friendly the local population might be. Finally, there's the operational and banking challenge. It's one thing to get legal permission, and another to actually operate. For Coinbase to be a truly functional exchange, it needs reliable, localized infrastructure. This means integrating with local payment processors and having banking partners that allow users to easily convert their local currency, like the yen or the rupee, into crypto and back again. In many emerging markets, securing those relationships is difficult, slow, or too high risk for the banks involved. If you can't get money in or out easily, the exchange isn't viable. So, while Coinbase is on a mission for global economic freedom, its map is currently shaded by red tape, political restrictions, and the simple reality of building a complex financial service in a fragmented world. Every time a country's status changes, a team of lawyers, compliance officers, and engineers has to update the system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.